In this video, we are discussing commenting techniques in Java. In case of Java, we can have the single line comment. That means one comment line can be inserted in our code. We know that comment line will not have any effect in the outcome when the program will be in execution. Comment line will be simply ignored in the execution. So here to have the single line comment, we are supposed to put // that is a double front slash, and this is a single line comment, and up to the end of the line the comment will be maintained. So that is a way to have the single line comment here. So let us suppose I want to put them in the single line comment as a block. I want to put them in Eclipse. We're having an option that is a source toggle comment. You can find that this full block, this full line of codes, whatever the number of lines you have selected, they will be under this single line comment, and that is a toggle type one. So you can mark them and you can go for toggle comment, so they'll become uncommented. You can make them as comment. So that is our single line comment. But if you want to go for the multi-line comment, so that can be done in this way. You see the lines are not commented here, so you can go for this and go for add block comment. So in this way you can find that in case of block comment, all these lines will be enclosed within /start and // here, and that is known as the block comment. So in this way you can also do that one. You can remove it if you require to do so. Eclipse is giving us that option to do. There is a remove block comment. Respective shortcut keys are also given. You can apply them. So that is the removing the block comment. Otherwise we can also go for this. You can mention that /start. Now in this way you can put multiple lines under this comment. So I'm just copying this one. If I want to put it here, you can easily find that you can easily put these lines under the comment. So that is another way you can do it. There is another way you can do it. So that is our multi-line comment, and you can go on expanding. So in this way you can also go for block comment in our Java. So this demonstration is for how to make a single line comment and multi-line comment, and how to take the help of Eclipse editor, the respective ID, with the help of which you can do the same as when required.